Here are some iwas upload tips for Filipinos when traveling abroad for the first time. Siguraduhin kumpleto ang travel documents mo like passport, visa kung required sa destination mo at return ticket. I-double check mo rin na valid pa mga ito at hindi pa expired. Magdala ng supporting documents like hotel bookings, travel itinerary at invitation letter or AOS kung kailangan. Importante na malinaw ang purpose ng travel mo, whether it's for tourism, work, or visiting family. Be ready to confidently answer questions ng IO tulad ng bakit ka pupunta, saan ka titira, at kailan ka babalik? Maging honest at diretso sa sagot para maiwasan ang duda. Siguraduhin na may enough money ka na magpapatunay na kaya mong suportahan ang sarili mo while abroad. Pwede kang hingan ng proof tulad ng bank statement or credit card. Huwag mag-overpack ng bagahe lalo na kung short trip lang. Kapag masyadong maraming dala, baka magduda ang IO. Know the details of your trip like flight schedule, accommodation address at contact details ng hotel or host mo para pag tinanong ka, madali mong masasagot. Kapag first time travel ka, expect na mas tututukan ka ng IO. Huwag kang kabahan. Calmly approach the immigration counter, smile, i-greet mo sila, and confidently answer the questions. Kung kinakabahan ka, baka magduda sila na may something wrong. Following these tips can help you have a smooth journey and avoid being offloaded. Remember, preparation is key. Save this clip for your future travel. Enjoy your trip!